Do sensor can be calibrated by 1 point or 2 points calibration method. Red, power, VCC, white, 485B, green to 485A, black, ground, GND. Sensor connection cable. Connect the power supply. Part 1. Dissolved oxygen sensor. 1-point calibration routine. Turn on the air aeration pump and adjust to the maximum gear. Wait about 30 minutes. The 100% oxygen water is prepared. Remove the sensor's black protective cap. Put sensor into the 100% oxygen water. Temperature sensor to be placed in the water. Open the Smart PC software on the computer. Click Connect, Measurement, and Start to get the real-time measurement of dew. Click Stop to end the data measuring. Then click Calibration and 1 point to start calibration. Wait for the calibration values to stabilize, then click OK. Tips: calibration succeed. Then click OK. Click Start to get the real-time measurement of dew. Check the percentage of dew is close to 100%. Measured value is 100%. Click OK. 1-point calibration succeed. Part 2. Dissolved oxygen sensor. 2 points calibration routine. Weigh 50 grams of anhydrous sodium sulfite into 1 liter of deionized water. Turn on the air aeration pump and adjust to the maximum gear. Wait for 30 minutes. Put 50 grams of anhydrous sodium sulfite into 1 L of deionized water. Stir well with glass rod. Stir until anhydrous sodium sulfite is insoluble. Remove the black protective cap on the front of the dew sensor. First, place the sensor in 100% oxygenated water. Temperature sensor to be placed in the water. Open the Smart PC software on computer. Click Connect and Measurement and Start to get the real-time measurement of dew. Click Stop to end the data measuring. Then click Calibration, 2 points, to start calibration. Wait for first calibration value to stabilize in 100% oxygen water. Then click OK. Remove the sensor from 100% oxygenated water and dry with a dust-free cloth. Then put the dew sensor into the 0% oxygen water. Next, check the Smart PC software on computer. Wait for second calibration value to stabilize in 0% oxygen water, then click OK. Tips: calibration succeed. Click OK. Finally, in the 0% oxygen water, check that the percentage of dew is close to 0%. Measured value is 0%. Dew sensor calibration succeed. Close Smart PC software. We understand your needs.